Hi, it's Matt here. After my previous video, I've decided to take on something a bit more fun. Rather than spending a week trying to make multiplayer work, I want to recreate my room in VR. I think it will be a lot more fun. I will make all the shelves openable and add a bit more fun interactions. I don't know how it will look at the end. I will be recording it while doing it, so let's see how it goes. Now I have the floors, walls, windows and doors ready. Now let's furnish the room with static elements like sofa, desk, tables, stuff like that. After that we'll add all the dynamic elements like shelves. With the static elements ready, I can create my dynamic furniture. Let's use this TV stand as an example of how to create a moving drawer. First, I'm importing my main Blender model and disabling the drawer. I have it in the blend file for convenience, but I also have a separate GLTF for an actual moving drawer. Then I'm creating a new scene and creating a new inherited child from interactable slider. To the slider, I'm adding my drawer model and positioning it so it can move along the x-axis. After that, I'm setting my max distance to the highest x transform I want my drawer to be able to move. Then I'm creating a new empty 3D node for my handle and creating it by instantiating interactable handle. To the handle, I'm adding a collision shape and resizing it to match the front of the drawer. When that is done, I can add the drawer to the main TV stand scene and duplicate it. For an example of the doors, let's use this wardrobe model. The process is almost exactly the same as in the drawers, but instead of using interactable slider, you use interactable hinge. The model will rotate around the x-axis, so in our case we need to rotate the parent node 90 degrees on the z-axis. It is also really important to set the rotation limits for the model. After we have our door scenes ready, we can place them in the main wardrobe scene. Now let's place all the other furniture in the room. Now I've got the apartment furnished. Unfortunately, not all shelves are openable, but the most important ones are. Now let's add some more decorations and pickable elements. I've finished placing decorations and I've added some pickable elements with a couple of additional interactions. If you want to know how to code elements like that, you can take a look at my VR multiplayer video or just subscribe to my channel, as I'm planning on doing a full tutorial series about making VR games. Anyway, the game is ready, so let's see the final results. Alright, so let's see how it looks in the end. So, I can pick up my gourd, go to the kitchen. Now I'm going to make myself some mate. Let's turn on the water, pick up my kettle, open it up, let's pour in some water. As you can see, we do have water inside. Let's boil the water. So now obviously I'm going to need some mate. Let's open the box, grab a bit of mate, pour it inside the gourd, add water. The water is added, and I can add my bombilla. Great! Alright, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and I hope I'll see you next time.